CompTIA A Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Compare and Contrast Protocols for Wireless Networking. Wi-Fi. When discussing wireless networks, the technology that most commonly comes to mind is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, short for Wireless Fidelity, is a technology that allows computing devices, such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets, to connect to and communicate with other devices wirelessly. It facilitates the transmission of data over short distances using radio waves. Typically, this occurs within the confines of a home, a small office, or in public spaces like cafes and airports. The process begins when a device connects to a wireless access point, which serves as a bridge between the device and a larger network. This connection is established using specific frequency bands, primarily the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequency bands, which are part of the electromagnetic spectrum reserved for Wi-Fi communications. Now that we have a definition for Wi-Fi, we can move on to wireless standards. There have been multiple standards since Wi-Fi came onto the scene in 1997, with each standard being developed by the IEEE. So I guess the next thing to do is to explain what IEEE is. IEEE is the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. They're a professional association known for developing technical standards, and they do so across various industries, including networking and telecommunications. Now we know who develops the standards for Wi-Fi. I guess we are getting warmer. But we don't have the complete picture yet. Out of all the standards compiled by the IEEE, the numerically labeled 802 set of standards are the standards that pertain to local area networks or LAN communications. From here, we need to break open and look at a small subset of the 802 standards. This subset of standards that we will be focusing on for now is labeled 802.11. 802.11 is all about Wi-Fi, how it works, and what makes it tick. Or more technically speaking, 802.11 is an evolving family of specifications for wireless local area networks or WLANs. With that in mind, the next video in this training course will have us stepping through each of the 802.11 standards that you are going to need to know about for your CompTIA A Core 1 certification exam. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.